Cobol's surprising comeback. For decades, Cobol has been quietly powering the backbone of the global economy. While many believed it would eventually disappear, the opposite is happening today. Cobol is making a surprising and strategic comeback in the business world. Go to Pacta Cobol website, cobol.pacta.com. Large organizations, especially in banking, insurance, and government sectors, still rely on Cobol systems to process massive volumes of data with unmatched reliability. These systems handle billions of transactions every day, and replacing them is not only risky, but extremely costly. As a result, companies are no longer trying to eliminate Cobol. They are looking for ways to maintain, modernize, and integrate it with newer technologies. At the same time, a major challenge has emerged: the shortage of skilled Cobol professionals. Many experienced developers are retiring, and few new learners have been trained to take over. This gap is creating real opportunities for those who are ready to understand and work with Cobol in modern environments. Cobol's comeback is not just about maintaining legacy systems, it is about bridging the past and the future. Today, Cobol applications are being connected to APIs, cloud platforms, and modern interfaces. Businesses need professionals who can navigate both worlds, the stability of Cobol and the flexibility of new technologies. This is where Pacta Cobol Lab comes in. Pacta Cobol Lab is designed to make Cobol accessible, practical, and directly applicable to real business needs. Unlike traditional training programs that are often too technical or outdated, Pacta Cobol Lab follows a progressive and structured approach. It helps learners build strong foundations step by step without being overwhelmed. The training focuses on real-world use cases, allowing learners to quickly understand how Cobol is used in enterprise environments. It also emphasizes clarity, logic, and practical exercises, making it suitable for beginners as well as professionals looking to expand their skills. Another key advantage of Pacta Cobol Lab is its focus on efficiency. Instead of long and complex theoretical courses, the program is designed to deliver actionable knowledge that can be applied immediately. This approach accelerates learning and helps participants gain confidence quickly. By joining Pacta Cobol Lab, learners position themselves in a niche market where demand is high and competition is still limited. Cobol is not just a legacy skill, it is a strategic asset for businesses that depend on stability, reliability, and continuity. Cobol's surprising comeback is a reminder that in technology, what truly matters is not novelty, but effectiveness. And today, Cobol remains one of the most effective tools for handling critical business operations. Learning Cobol now means stepping into a field where expertise is rare, opportunities are growing, and long-term value is undeniable. Go to Pacta Cobol website, cobol.pacta.com.
All right, let's talk about something wild. Think about a piece of technology from like the 1960s. You probably picture it sitting in a museum, covered in dust, right? Well, what if I told you that one of these dinosaurs is secretly running our entire modern world? Seriously. That's the story of Cobol, and its comeback is, no joke, one of the most important things happening in tech right now.
So I just want you to look at this number for a second. $3 trillion. I mean, what is that? The GDP of a pretty big country? The value of some massive tech company? What could it be? Yep, that's it. Every single day, systems running on Cobol handle $3 trillion worth of transactions. We're talking bank transfers, insurance claims, government services, all of it. It's the invisible engine that keeps the whole global economy humming along. And if you need more proof, just look at these numbers. It powers 95% of all ATM swipes. There are more than 220 billion lines of it still running right now in the world's biggest banks and government systems. This isn't some old code tucked away in a corner. This is live, absolutely critical infrastructure. Okay, so here's the catch. The systems are essential, but the people who know how to manage them, they're retiring. And they're retiring fast. You see, universities stopped teaching Cobol decades ago, so the supply of new talent just dried up. We are staring down the barrel of a massive global talent crisis.
Which, leads to a pretty obvious question. If the demand is so high and the pay is so good, why aren't people lining up to learn it? Well, it turns out that the entire way we teach Cobol is, to put it bluntly, completely broken.
If you're a beginner trying to learn Cobol today, you're going to hit three huge walls. First, all the training is made by experts who've totally forgotten what it's like to be a beginner. Second, you've got this giant gatekeeper called the mainframe. And third, the main teaching method, just watching videos, is just not effective.
And you hear this from learners all the time. The Cobol language itself, it's actually pretty straightforward, almost like reading English. The real nightmare, the thing that makes everyone want to quit, is trying to figure out the ridiculously complex systems you're supposedly required to use just to write one line of code. And this right here is that first barrier in action. The experts who make the courses, they just assume you know all these acronyms like Z/OS and JCL. But a beginner needs to start at square one. And that huge gap is where almost everyone gets lost and just gives up. Then you've got that third barrier, what I call the video trap. There's actually a concept in neuroscience for this. It's called the fluency illusion. You watch a tutorial video and you feel like you're learning. But because you're not actually doing anything, your brain isn't building the connections to remember it. Watching someone else code is not the same as learning to code yourself. So what we have is an industry desperate for programmers, but the training is just totally out of reach and doesn't even work well. This is the exact problem that a new platform called Pacta Cobol Lab was created to solve. It was founded by Elaine Stevens, and it starts with this really simple but powerful idea. What if we built a Cobol course that was actually genuinely designed for a total beginner right from the very start? And this table just lays it all out. The old way is way too technical and overwhelming. Pacta is friendly to beginners. The old way says you need a mainframe. Pacta says, nope, you don't. The old way has you passively watching videos. Pacta is all about getting your hands dirty with active practice. It's a direct solution to every single one of those barriers.
Okay, so how do they do it? It's actually pretty brilliant. Pacta breaks everything down into tiny, bite-sized concepts. You learn one little thing, then boom, you're immediately quizzed on it. That forces you to actually remember it. Then you practice it. This little loop, learn, test, practice, is based on how our brains actually work, and it makes knowledge stick.
And they got rid of all the practical hurdles, too. It's affordable for regular people, not just big companies with massive training budgets. It works on your computer, your tablet, your phone, whatever you have. And it's designed to be easily translated, so anyone in the world can learn. Now, this is where the story takes a really interesting turn, because what Pacta's doing isn't just fixing how we learn, it's completely busting the biggest myth about Cobol itself. I bet this is the question on your mind, right? You're picturing this massive humming machine in a locked basement somewhere. Surely you can't learn this language without one of those things. Well, the answer is a huge, emphatic no. You don't. The idea that Cobol is permanently chained to a mainframe, that's an old myth. And once you realize that, everything changes. The magic here is a fantastic tool called GNU Cobol. It's a completely free, open-source compiler that lets you write, build, and run Cobol programs right on your personal laptop, whether it's a Windows PC, a Mac, or running Linux. Just like that, the biggest gatekeeper is gone. So who's learning Cobol now? Well, the audience is suddenly enormous. It's not just for people who want to be mainframe engineers anymore. Because Cobol is so readable, it's incredibly useful for entrepreneurs, for business managers, anyone who wants to understand the logic that actually runs their company. And that leaves us with one last question to think about. We've got this huge global shortage of talent. We have experts billing $400 an hour. Demand is skyrocketing while the supply of experts is shrinking. So let me ask you, could learning the world's most outdated language actually be the smartest, most profitable career move you could possibly make right now? Because that door is now wide open.